The founder of Delight Uganda Limited, Dr. Julian Adieri, says following the pledge of a fruit factory, a memorandum of understanding was signed between UDC, NADS, Ministry of Agriculture and Alvin Blanche to work on the project. She, however, claims that there are mafias blocking the funding for the work to kickstart.
For the years we have struggled to realize my dream of empowering the people of Noya. It is where you reach and you say enough is enough.
The development is to sit on the 1,700 acres of land where Delight Farm is located. This is to help in absorbing fruit harvest from outgrowers not only in Noya but across the neighboring districts. Earlier this week, Adieri threatened to begin operating alone and leave out the outgrowers since the government has frustrated her effort to cause economic sustainability in the lives of people in northern Uganda.
Fruits are ready, the factory has been over-delayed, and somebody said the factory is not relevant.
The chairperson of the outgrowers said they entered into fruit farming with the hope of improving their lives, but their effort is frustrated as they do not have where to sell their harvest. He said over 11,000 farmers are affected.
We are producing a lot of fruits, no market. The fruits have become a liability to us.
Bosco Lawino, one of the youths that have taken the project as a turning point in life, says Noya youth have taken the project seriously and the youth are working hard towards realization of this project as a way to liberate themselves from poverty.
And ever since, keep on promising to build up the factories, and they are not doing it. Market is not there, the processing plan is not there, the mangoes are rotting like you have seen.
When the NRM Secretary General took hundreds of youths to discover some of the potential they can tap to better their lives, he was overwhelmed by complaints of the farmers and promised to follow up on the 19 billion pledge closely.
All along I thought it was already fulfilled, until this afternoon that I came and found it hasn't been fulfilled. So I'm yet to find out what could have caused the delays.
Delight Uganda Limited, which is supposed to be private partners on the project, says they are losing over 300 million shillings every harvest season, and this is frustrating the farmers who were lured into farming. If the factory is installed, it is expected to produce output of about 12 metric tons per hour.